I know where you're going on this. I know where you're going.
All the fireworks, and she's going to set them off on Tuesday, right? When you turn up the heat.
That's right. That's exactly why, actually, it's going to get very hot across here. Because of those fireworks starting, I guess, a little bit earlier, we should celebrate the start of July instead of the 4th of July. No. Yeah, we are looking at some great weather. Warm temperatures on the way once we get into tomorrow. 76 degrees was the high yesterday in Eugene. The average for this time of year is 77 degrees. Nowhere near that record of 100 degrees there. 73 was the high in both Corvallis and Bend yesterday. 80 in Roseburg. Out along the coast, those mid-60s. Temperatures this morning, we were looking at 35 in Sun River, 46 in Bend. Now along I-5, looking at those low to mid-50s. 47 in Cottage Grove, though, this morning. Out along the coast, you're waking up in those low to mid-50s. Here's a live look right now. Newport, you can see already beautiful conditions out there. A lot of blue sky, and that's going to stick around throughout the day today. You can even see in the bay, pretty cool, almost a pretty much copy of the sky as well. Looking at some nice crystal calm waters as we head into the next couple of hours. Looking at sunshine already being reported at the airport with 50 degrees out there. Keeping it sunny as well inland, and as we take a bigger look of what's impacting our weather, high pressure's in full control, keeping that jet stream to the north and keeping this storm out of the area. So high pressure will be in control today and also even into tomorrow and actually the next couple of days. But we are going to look at also a feature of what we call a thermal trough develop along the coast, and that is pretty much just going to pull in some warm air from the south, and it's already showing up. It showed up yesterday. Remember, Brookings is getting up to 77 degrees yesterday. Today we're going to be about 10 degrees warmer than what we saw yesterday, and then even into tomorrow, warming up even a few more degrees. So some nice weather ahead as we move into this week. As we take a look at Stormcast over the next 24 hours, I'll put things into motion throughout the day today, keeping things mostly sunny even all the way until we get into the time you're heading home from work or maybe picking your kids up from day camp. Still keeping it clear as we move into tonight. It almost looks like this is a malfunction, but as you can see, we're going to keep things clear throughout the entire day today, into tonight, and even into tomorrow. So along the coast, temperatures near 70 degrees as we head into the Umpqua Basin, getting near 90 degrees today. We'll get even warmer as we move into tomorrow. The Cascades over the passes, looking at those upper 70s. The foothills, you're looking at those low 80s. Into Central Oregon, temperatures climbing in those low to mid 80s later today, keeping it very sunny as well. Same for the Willamette Valley. Temperatures by about 10 degrees warmer than yesterday. We'll get into those mid to upper 80s later today. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast along the coast. Upper 60s on Tuesday. Onshore flow returning on Wednesday. So we're looking at clouds to start each day. Sunshine in the afternoon. Still should be great for the 4th of July on Friday. The Umpqua Basin getting in those mid to upper 90s on Tuesday. Triple digits expected further to the south in the Rogue Valley. So you might, if you want those triple digits, you might want to just drive south along I-5. As we head into Wednesday, onshore flow will push in some cooler air, so temperatures cooling off slightly, looking at those mid to upper 80s all the way through the 4th of July and into this weekend. The Cascades, a slight chance for a thunderstorm both Tuesday and Wednesday afternoon. This is what we call air mass thunderstorms, very common in the south and east, not very common in our area, but we'll have a chance both Tuesday and Wednesday just along the Cascades. You'll begin to see those cumulus clouds pop on up. For the Willamette Valley, mid-80s today, keeping it sunny. Tomorrow, we're into those 90s. We haven't seen the 90s in the Willamette Valley since September of last year. As we head into Wednesday, though, we'll get some onshore flow, cooling things off into those low 80s. I know it's not cooling off by much, but at least we'll get out of those 90s. Should be nice for the 4th of July and the rest of the holiday weekend.